Fussky by G. Morrison. The barley brie, it's vera thucht, tak's comfort to me. Efter I draam, I'm sick and meer, and efter a 40, a hinne a keer. A 40 ounce disne kom techt, but it fairly maks my heed fijn en licht. The fine warm taste gaan doen my throat, the jukes teem nu, but meer oi soot. I drifts awa and feels I'm free, numbing my heed for my note and e. Awa for the race that I canna cope, it's the only comfort, it gives me hope. The peer proud Scots, it brewed as brie, het to hide in the woods, 'cause they werena free. The English, of course, talks at oor brew, oor only comfort, to pit to oor moo. The reedcoat at Goffs, smashed our stills, if Scots made oor brew, hiding in the hills. The few and the true, doen oor Fussky, dreaming out times when we were all free. It's the only thing left, it's a comfort to us, drowning more pride and trying not to fuss. Sometimes when foo, I feel it I'm game, to send reedcoat at Goffs back to their home. But of course we can dream, van tak and a brie, then reality sets in, after coming tea. There's nae muckle left, that maks us feel proud, but doon in a brie, fair pitje in the mood.